Hello friend, welcome back. This is Sanjay Kumar, founder and creator of SelectorsHub. Today we will learn something new. Because we generally learn how to write XPath, selectors, then different kinds of web element, and mostly towards like automation, like writing the web automation, Selenium, Playwright, or Cypress. But today we'll see something different. How can we do like smart testing, and in fact, like kind of like web scraping? We are basically going to learn today. So many times it happened that let's say we want to get all the links of this page in Excel sheet, or let's say we want to get all the link text of or heading or any kind of data from a particular web page we want in the Excel sheet. So generally, like what we do, we used to open our editor. There we start, like let's say we want to get all the links of this page. Okay, so what we do, we generally go to our means our editor, and then there we write like driver dot find element, getting all the elements inside a list. Like it could be tag name or XPath, you can write anything. So let's say we have written this. So this is like we are getting all the links, and then we get inside a list of web elements. Then we have to like write the for loop or whatever loop you generally use. So that way you have to loop all the links, getting href attribute, then writing, then you have to put the code to write the data inside the Excel file. That complete process takes a lot of time. So how can we like make sure that everything can be done quickly and easily without wasting much time? So let's see, I will show you today. That's a very interesting fact here. Just go to, let's say, practice page here. I would request you please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon if you are new here to learn such great concepts related to selectors, XPath, and smart work when you are doing development, testing, and web scraping, etc. Now, suppose we want to get the link of, means all the links of this page in this Excel sheet. That's it. So what you have to do, very simple, just go to like your drive, create a new new Google Sheet. From here, like when you open drive, you know that you can create a spreadsheet. So like this it will be created, and here in the first line what you have to do, you have to write, there's a simple one formula that you have to write, nothing else, very simple it will be. So you just have to write like equal, and then start typing import XML. You have to write here because this will be like working on XML format. So import XML, and here you have to pass the URL of that page from which from which you want to fetch the data. So let's say we want to scrap the data from here, and we want all the, let's say, anchor tags double forward slash a, and you want href link, so you can write forward slash at the rate href and hit enter. It will get the data from that page, and you see all the links has been fetched and written in your Google Sheet. It's so simple, so easy, so quick. Isn't it amazing? Going to save a lot of time for you guys. Of course, like you will enjoy this. And how you can get the like uh, XPath and all. So if you are someone new, then I will highly recommend that you take my XPath course, which I have link I will give in the description from Udemy. It is there in Udemy, so one of the best XPath course out there. So what that will do, like that will help you to basically become an expert in XPath writing, because for web scraping you will need some skills to write XPath. Those selectors will help you in all the ways, but still you need some basic understanding of that. By default, like because when you inspect any element, selectors of generally auto generate the unique XPath. But here in this kind of situation, let's say you want all the headings, you want a particular, like let's say you want, here we want all the footer links. Okay, so let us inspect any element here. Like this is the link which we have inspected, and here Suppose like this is the one. Here we will have to write this link, but it is giving all the links in this page, right? All like from everywhere, but we just want these footer ones, so we will have to write an X path in such a way so that we get only these links. So we will have to see something here which will be like something like footer or something, any kind of class or element will be there which will be like representing that this is a footer. So we'll go up, and you see that here column gap default, this is representing, and this is also representing a section here. So this, like, basically I'm just trying to help you to understand that how you can identify, like you will have to, like this is here, like here we got a something which represent that this is a footer. Okay, so what we will do here, we will write double forward slash div and at the rate class this one, and this is how we got all the footer links. Now we will use this XPath in our Excel sheet. So you see that you are not, like here you will see that there is no place to edit, where to edit that formula. So you just have to click on the very first row and you will automatically get that formula, because by default when you hit enter after writing your formula here, then it will, what it will do, like it will get the data from the first row itself. But do not worry, you again click back on the first row and you will get the formula here. So then you replace this link with that XPath, which sorry, you replace that XPath whatever was there earlier, and now we have replaced with this, hit enter. It should get the only footer links. So because we have just added the a here, you want the URL, then you have to add the forward slash at the rate href. Here we will get the links this way. If you want just the text of those, then you just remove this and hit enter. It will give you those text, link text. You see that these are the link text in the footer of the SelectorsHub here. Or if you want, you can also like add double forward slash a forward slash text method. If you guys can recall from my different tutorials and uh, classes, then it will give in this format. So this way you can get the data from any of the website, and it this way, like there will be some situation where you might not be able to get the data from the website, because that data might be coming from the web, from the tables or somewhere from the backend. So if that data will be available in the DOM of that website, then it will be able to fetch in your Google Excel sheet. Otherwise it might not be able to fetch, because if that data is coming from the, like when the website is loaded and then you perform some action or on some query, if that is coming from the tables or somewhere from the backend, then that might not be coming in your Excel sheet, in your Google sheet. Now let me show you one more example. Let's say we are on Amazon and we want to get all the links of this page in the Google sheet. So let me copy this, replace this link here, and then replace this XPath double forward slash a forward slash, let's say at the rate href, and hit enter. It should get all the links of amazon.in from the home page, from this page. In same way you go here, like if you want to just see that, double forward slash a and then forward slash at the rate href, like this you can write, and you must be surprised where is that value. So if you scroll down, you see that all the values are here. Or you can just turn on this editor mode. I would also recommend that if you are new to SelectorsHub, please watch the detailed tutorial of SelectorsHub, so you will learn a lot of features about SelectorsHub. It's really great. And how you can download SelectorsHub, of course, like let me tell you, you can go to selectorshub.com website, and from here you can get the free version. If you want like more advanced and great feature, then you can also check out the pro version, that is also almost free, just $1 per month, so that you can check it out. Now here so this is how you can get the like Amazon links as well, like any website. So this way you can get the data directly into your Excel sheet. One more time I will show you. Click on file, how you can get started, like uh, open a new Google Sheet, and here of course like you can give any name or just leave it blank, that's up to you. Highly recommended that you give a name. And then here type equal, then import. As soon as you start typing, you will see that here it will auto drop down, it is coming. Import XML you have to do, that is the formula you have to select, and then here you have to type the URL of the website. Let's say we want amazon.in, you put the amazon.in comma, here you have to put the XPath inside double quote. Let's say we want all the header, let's say h2 header we want in this page, hit enter. It will give all the h2 header values in this page, like there will be any header, so you see that all the values are coming from amazon.in. Sometimes you might see that okay, this is here coming different value, when you are seeing it here it is coming different. So please make sure that uh, because whatever values there you will see in the sheet, they will be coming from the like by default website, which is like opening in incognito mode, like this way. Because in the normal browser you see that this is normal browser where my I have logged in with my account, right? So you see that Lord of the Rings, it is coming here, the first thing, first value which is coming as Lord of the Rings new edition, right? But that is not there here. So you will be confused like from where that data is coming. If you open that in an incognito mode, so you see that the very first value here is this one. So this is coming in this mode, that is like that has not been kind of like logged in. So make sure that I mean just be sure that whatever data you will be getting here, it will be like normally you have open website without logged in. So whatever you will see in the incognito mode, the data and the website, in that format it will like that data it will write in the Excel sheet, in the Google Sheet. So this is how you can simply, in a just like very easy way, you can scrap the data from any of the website directly in your Google Sheet. It's very simple. I will leave this formula in the description. It is equal import XML. First parameter is URL, second parameter is XPath, that you have to just click on the very first row to start writing. I hope you learned something new today, and I will request you please subscribe to the channel if you are new here, if you haven't done yet, and do share this tutorial and let others know about these really great tips and tricks and about the SelectorsHub. Please like the video and share it. Thank you so much.